We bought 3 plastic inserts for putting plants in, decided to make wooden boxes for them to go in. This wood that I'm using is some I had off a friend. I've had it quite a while, to be honest with you. It's as if it's bits of hardwood fixed together, like laminated together. Like I say, I've had it hanging around for quite a while now, and I just sort of make these boxes out of it. I was going to use bits of wood in the corners, but I want to keep the sort of the outer frame tight to the inserts, and I thought if I use wood on the inside, sort of wooden corners, then it'd open it all up, make it bigger. And we wanted to put them on a shelf, so we only got a certain size go to. So I decided to use some bits of metal. I mean, this metal I'm using is off an old bed frame as I had. As I chopped up one time and kept the angle iron off it. So I thought I'd use the angle iron in the corners for fixing it all together to keep it, like I say, keep it as small as possible. I don't think it really needed this centre bar in really, but I decided to put it in because with this wood, I've had it sort of delaminating in the past when it's been used outdoors. I made 1 or 2 planter boxes out of it, and 1 or 2 survived okay, but 1 or 2 didn't. So, and I put that centre support in to help it along a bit, I suppose. With this wood, it's time will tell whether it survives through the rainy days, if you like. I did pre-drill some of these holes to stop the wood from splitting. With them being so close to the edge of the wood, there was a chance that they'd split. I'm only putting small screws in anyway, but I thought I'd pre-drill them to stop the chance of splitting. When I first started making these, the idea was I was going to put like a wraparound leg on each corner. But in the end, we decided not to. We just leave them as basically a plain box, just to put the inserts in. In the future, whether I decide to put any on, I don't know yet. I thought they looked a bit plain, to be honest with you, once I'd finished them, so I might decide to put legs on in the future. Just putting some bits together now to make feet, basically for the boxes the inserts to sit on, and then I end up putting some nylon glides in, like furniture glides really, just so that the wood isn't sitting on the concrete and sucking up wet. My initial thought was to leave these wood, but the wife wanted them painting in this willow green, the Cupinol willow. Looking at them when they were finished, I'm thinking about putting these legs on the outside, like wraparound leg, just give them a bit of character. But I'll make a decision in a few days' time and see what we think about them. But currently we've just basically got them as basically a painted box.